Better English for kids and parents. Stop saying very. Instead of saying very good, you can say excellent, brilliant, wonderful, or outstanding. Instead of very long, you can say lengthy, endless, or extended. Instead of very bad, say terrible, awful, or horrible. Instead of very small, say tiny, minute, or petite. Instead of very big, say huge, enormous, or gigantic. Instead of very fast, say quick, swift, or speedy. Instead of very slow, say sluggish, leisurely, or unhurried. Instead of very nice, say pleasant, lovely, delightful, or charming. Instead of very tired, say exhausted, weary, or drained. Instead of very happy, say joyful, thrilled, ecstatic, or cheerful. Instead of very sad, say heartbroken, miserable, or sorrowful. Instead of very easy, say simple, effortless, or straightforward. Instead of very hard, say challenging, difficult, or tough. Instead of very hungry, say starving, famished, or ravenous. Instead of very clean, say spotless, immaculate, or gleaming. Instead of very dirty, say filthy, grimy, or mucky. Instead of very cold, say freezing, icy, or chilly. Instead of very hot, say boiling, scorching, or blazing. Instead of very funny, say hilarious, amusing, or entertaining. Instead of very pretty, say beautiful, gorgeous, or stunning. Instead of very scary, say frightening, terrifying, or spine-chilling. Instead of very quiet, say silent, hushed, or still. Instead of very noisy, say deafening, ear-splitting, or raucous. Instead of very bright, say brilliant, radiant, or vivid. Instead of very dark, say pitch black, dim, or shadowy. Instead of very strong, say powerful, mighty, or forceful. Instead of very weak, say fragile, feeble, or frail. Instead of very rich, say wealthy, affluent, or well-off. Instead of very poor, say destitute, needy, or impoverished. Instead of very old, say ancient, aged, or antique. By using these words, your English will sound more colorful and impressive. Keep practicing and have fun learning.